You might be hearing so much about MTN night bundle. Yes, the 200 naira for 2 gig plan. Yes, it's still possible and it's still available now. Even though MTN has increased their tariff by 200 to 300%. Well, thank God they didn't increase the night plan, because how on earth are we going to survive? Well, on this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to subscribe the MTN data bundle for 200 naira. You get 2 gig and how it's being done. Let's cut the long story short and let's just dive in. And also know that this only works from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. No matter what is remaining, it will expire. That will be end of the data. Well guys, let's dive in. Let me show you how it's being done. You press star 406 hash, then you send it. Now click on nightlife bundle, which is 3. Now you click on 500 MB post plan, because you want to do this 4 times. Then you can choose any option here, but I suggest you choose 3. The pause point and airtime. Then you click on proceed, which is 1. And note, you must have an airtime in your phone at least above 200 naira to make sure that this works for you. Now let's do it for the second time. Star 406 hash. You just repeat the same process. Start 3, just press 3, nightlife bundle. You then click on 1, because it's 500 MB times 4, which is going to give us the 2 gig. Then you now click on anyone, but I suggest you choose 3 too. So to first finish your pause point before you now enter your airtime, you now click on 1. Now we have done the second one. Now let's go to the third one. This MTN pause point, how you get it is when you do data for somebody else, or when you do data for yourself, the normal daily data, or when you buy airtime from bank. So there's those pause point they give you. Mostly give it to people that MTN pause. MTN pause is also very good, but it has a low call rate, so you can also join us on that one too. Normal same plan, star 406 hash. Then you click on 3, nightlife bundle. Then you now click on 1. Then you now click on 3. Remember, there's also a shortcut on how you do this. I'll tell you at the end of the video. So just go in and watch. Click on 1, proceed. Then you are done. Now let's do the last one. This data is actually good. It also lasts, and if you're always up at late night, it's very good for you. Click on 3, the nightlife bundle. You now click on 1, the 500 MB post night plan, 50 naira. Then you also click on 3, because I have lots of post points. Then you click on 1. Correct. Now we have done 2 gig now. Let's try and do another one to see if it will work or not. But it's not supposed to work because it's only 2 gig you can do at a night. That's why I suggest you have multiple MTN SIM cards. You can do 2 gig here, 2 gig here, 2 gig here. You can get like 5, do 2. That's already 10 gig for the night. Then you want to download something heavy or something. See, we have already activated up to 2 gig night plan, which means it's not working. Now let's check our data bundle and see how much we have. So for the night plan, then now click on 3. So how you use, you can check your data balance. 2. See, you already have 2 gig already. So guys, that is the end of the video. And if you want to do it in a faster means, not all this slow, so just press star 406 star 3 star 1 star 3 star 1. Once you do that, your data is good to go. So guys, this is how you do your night plan. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you find this video informative and educative, and watch this next for how to get a cheaper data. Thank you.